Okay, so we get into the how you would use some of these problem solving, and we talk about consecutive integer problems. So 4.3 talks about that. And when we talk about consecutive integers, we're talking about numbers that are right beside each other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we define these as, hey, the first integer is x. The second integer is 1 more than that. The third integer is 2 more than x. The fourth integer is x plus 3. And you can see that even if it started at 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, if x is 10, then the second integer is x plus 1, which is 11, 10 plus 1. The third integer is 10 plus 2, 3. Sorry, 12, and we'll talk about that. But these right here are how you define your variables. You're going to understand that here in a second. Consecutive even integers like this, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, if the first integer is x, the second one is 2 more than that, x plus 2. The third one is 4 more than this, 2 plus 4 is 6. The fourth one is 6 more than this, 2 plus 6 is 8. So it actually happens to work out consecutive odd integers the same way. First one is x, second one is 2 more than that, x plus 2. Because if they're odds, they are 2 apart. Okay. Third is x plus 3, or x plus 4, sorry. 1 plus 4 is 5. Fourth is 6 more than the first. And you're going to see that here in a couple of problems. Okay, so what we have here is find two consecutive integers with a sum of 63. So this first part right here, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. This first part right here, find two consecutive integers. That's where you can define your variable. X is the first integer, and x plus 1 is the second integer. Okay, so then the second part with the sum of 63 is saying, okay, so their sum is 63. So x, the first one, and x plus 1, the second one, if you add those two together, their sum equals 63. So we combine like terms. X and x is 2x, plus 1 equals 63. We're going to take away 1 from both sides. It's a two-step equation. 2x equals 62. We're going to divide by 2. And x equals 31. So this first one is 31. And the second one is x plus 1. 31 plus 1, 32. So are they consecutive integers? Yes, they are, 31 and 32. Do they have a sum of 63? Yes, they do. Add them up. They are 63. So here is your boxed in answer. Okay. Two consecutive integers, sum of 32. X is the first. X plus 1 is the second. So you're going to take a sum of 63, x plus 1 equals 32. Sorry, sum is 32. So you're going to get 2x plus 1 equals 32. Excuse me, I was wiping something off there. So subtract 1, so 2x equals 31. Divide by 2. I should show this minus 1. X equals 15.5. Now wait a minute. Do you remember what integers meant? Integers mean negative, here, let's dot, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, dot. Does it have a decimal? No. So your answer is no. There are no two consecutive integers that add up to be 32 because you need whole numbers, and these aren't whole numbers. That's a decimal. Okay, three consecutive even integers such that the third is 8 less than twice the second. Okay, three consecutive even integers. So x is the first, x plus, now these are even integers, so how far away are they? Well, x plus 2 is the second. And x plus 4 is the third. Okay. All right, anytime it says such that, something like that, you know it's about to set up a value equation. So such that the third, well, what's the third? X plus 4 is equals 8 less than, you're going to take away 8 from something. Twice the second, what was the second one? It's right here. X plus 2, twice x plus 2. Okay. 8, oh, what did I subtract here? Hang on a second. Hopefully you picked up on this. Oops. Hang on a second. Right here. This has to be, okay, so it was 8 less than, so we're going to have to, I don't know why I put x. I said 8, but I put x. It's 8 less than twice the second. There's twice the second right there. All right. So we're going to have to solve this. X plus 4 equals, we're going to have to use the distributive here, 2x plus 4 minus 8. So you got x plus 4 equals 2x minus 4, because a plus 4 and a negative 8 is a minus 4. I'm going to subtract an x from both sides. Okay, I'm going to subtract this x from both sides. So minus an x, I get 4 equals x minus 4. Then I'm going to add 4 to both sides so I can get x by itself. Add this 4 right here. So add 4 to both sides, I get 8 equals x. So this one I get 8, this one I get 10, this one I get 12. That is 3 consecutive even integers, such that the third, if you look at the third, it's 12. Is it 8 less than twice the second? Well, twice the second, 2 times 10 is 20. 8 less than that is 12. Yep, it works out. Have a good evening.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.